guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can simply create unique wallpapers for your phone or for your PC on CapCut PC. So select like any color that you want for the background. I'm just going to select this one and I'm going to add in this like pink on top. Go to mask and I'm just going to select the heart shape here. Then I am going to add like a darker pink underneath, and I'm going to also select the heart shape. And I'm going to kind of like create like a shadow. So I'm just going to have to feather that out. You can do any type of design that you want, but this is what I chose. You can also go to text and add in like your name or like the word love. I don't know, it's totally up to you what you want to add. I'm trying to like find a font that's like cute for it. It's gonna take a long time for me to find a font, to be honest, so I'm just going to stick with like this one. That's fine. Adjust the font size. You can add in some other like effect to it or not. It's totally up to you. Oops. And then what I like to do after that, I like to go to effects and go to like the texture section of the video effects, and I like to add in like a paper texture on top. I don't really quite like the text, to be honest, and you can adjust the texture here. You can add even more textures if you'd like to, but I love just adding textures on top. You can also add stickers, by the way, forgot to mention about that. Add it like underneath the texture so it really pops like that, and you can add it like here. And once you're done and satisfied with your wallpaper, I'm just keeping it simple because I really don't have all day for this tutorial. Once you're done, just select this bit right here and select export still frame. If the ratio isn't enough, just again select 9:16. That's the like iPhone ratio, but like just adjust it to your phone. Export still frame and export it as a JPEG, and you can use it as a wallpaper. If I just delete this, I imported it into the project, so you can see it's just a JPEG image. That's it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!